Then stop fighting!
Meet the delightful 36-year-old Julia Regine Moorhead.
Stand up then.
She was arrested at the Ben Hotel in West Palm Beach, Florida in October of 2023. Now let me walk you through how the events unfolded.
She was in here, proper threat, just being very disrespectful. She was like cursing at gas, almost fell like, she fell over there, but she almost fell over here. I grabbed her. We're just trying to verify if she is a guest here. We were trying to accommodate her and tell her, hey, go back up to your room, call her night. We're intoxicated. But she just started like going crazy. She just took off, she fell down a couple times, but now she's back here. We need to find out if she's a guest here.
Nobody recognizes her?
No one recognizes her, but she does have a bracelet.
So usually that means yes, right?
Yeah, that means that she is a guest, but we just need to verify her.
How are you?
So the officer was first talking to the complainant, basically just getting all the information on why the police are called there. It sounds like they called, clearly because of an intoxicated woman, and it sounds like they want to figure out who she is, if she belongs there, and what they're going to do from there. And now the officer is about to make contact with the individual.
You having too much of a good time?
I have a question for you. So,
Are you Julia?
What the fuck are you guys like doing right here? Because I'm gonna get the fuck up and leave if I see any more people surrounding this place. And also, like, why are you surrounding me? Like, I've done nothing wrong, and like you're watching like people, like so. Where am I taking it? Out of here. Get me the out of here. You don't need to sit down. Okay.
Well, that's an employee entrance, so ma'am, you're not an employee, so therefore you cannot go in that entrance.
She signaled too.
She allowed to go back in? Yeah.
Looks like the backup officer has arrived. The one officer just said that she is signal 2, which just means intoxicated person. The reason why the officers are kind of letting her get away from them right now is because it doesn't sound like they have any criminal charges yet, nor was there a trespass warning issued. So they're still just kind of keeping a visual on her, following her, and waiting to see what the hotel staff's going to want to do, if they're going to end up trespassing her or not.
Oh shit! She doesn't have a room here, or she does? Oh.
George.
Excuse me, wait, I need to talk to my.
She's coming down now.
I need. Why are you doing this to me?
Hold on, we'll wait for
What are
the
you
guest.
doing? I need to talk to my boyfriend.
He's on the way down. He's coming downstairs.
Do you know? How do you know this?
Listen, miss, he's gonna meet you outside.
How do you know this?
I just talked to him.
Why are we talking to me?
Jerry's coming right now.
Yes, why are we talking to me?
Because you're causing a disturbance. That's why.
Okay, why are we talking to me? Why are we talking to me? What have I done? What the f- have I?
Still, the reason why the officers are keeping a distance from her, again, they haven't had the trespass warning issued in their presence yet by any of the employees or the owner, the manager, which that looks like who's talking to her right now, and doesn't seem like they have any criminal charges yet. So they're just kind of like watching her, maintaining her, probably waiting for the manager there to issue a trespass warning, and then she would have to leave the property. There's some other instances too where it sounds like we're waiting for the boyfriend to come down. If the boyfriend comes down, and if he's willing to take care and custody of her, bring her back to their room, if the staff is okay with that, they could allow that to happen. But from the angle we're going at right now, it seems like she's going to end up getting a trespass warning. So let's keep finding out.
Boyfriend's coming down right now. You are trespassing.
Where I'm staying here. Why the wait, no, excuse me. I'm staying here.
No, no more.
So why?
No more.
Why?
No more.
Give
You
me
gotta-
a reason.
They want you off the property, so leave the property.
Give me a reason.
I just told you. You gotta get off the property.
No, you did not
I did.
give me a
I did.
reason. You little you did not.
Yeah, I did. They don't want you on the property. That's the
Okay,
reason.
so why the reason is they don't want me on the property.
Where's Jerry at?
So please, this is my boyfriend, right?
Jerry,
You need to get her.
leave.
Take her out of here.
Yeah, off the property completely.
Off property. Let me get my car.
Okay.
Why the
Hey, Jules. Don't say anything else, please. Otherwise, you're gonna get arrested.
So it looks like one of the employees already issued her a trespass warning. So at this point, she has to leave the property. In the state of Florida, any private business can go ahead and issue a trespass warning to anyone for really any reason. Obviously, in this case, she seems intoxicated. She was causing a disturbance. The employees don't want her there. So that's why they issued a trespass warning. So now she must leave the property.
Is there a reason why I can't keep cats here on property? I'm just curious.
They have the right to remove anybody from the
No, but I'm curious.
You don't have to do anything.
No, but I'm serious. I'm just curious.
We don't know why. They called us because of whatever disturbance you're causing, and they want you off the property. That's all we know. So that's it. So your boyfriend's gonna go get your bag and his bag, and then you guys are gonna leave.
I just am like so. What am I confused about? Why the? No, there absolutely is a lot to be confused about. Are you? So then you're. Yes, that's true. So you're just stupid. That's what. We like stupid people too. I don't think we do.
Excuse me. All right. Is it possible that you guys can possibly get her? We're stuck here.
You are in
Which
an
part?
actual world.
The truck?
No, not the
You'd actually be friends.
It looks like the officers, though, are at least being somewhat nice by waiting for the boyfriend to pack up their stuff and get her off the property. But so that's why they're just kind of still allowing her to be there in their presence. So once the boyfriend gets here, then she must leave the property.
Halfway in the road and then
Right here?
Okay, then what was in your
Right, sir. Right through the- You gotta move it.
Have fun with people. Who the f are you? Who are you? What's your name?
Smith.
I would like to know all of your
Smith.
names because I'm gonna be recording them.
That's great. I just told you my name's Smith.
Yeah, I'm like recording it right now. So
Okay, cool.
Smith, and what's your other name? What's your actual
That's
name?
it. Smith is my name.
No, what's your first name?
You don't need my first name.
I actually do.
Okay.
I need to know your first name
I
and
just
your
told
second name. I need to know every name that it takes to. Yes, I
All that information will be in your police report.
do. I'm recording this. You guys are so lazy. I understand that you guys. No, I understand that, like. No, I understand that, like, having you guys as, like, a proponent is, like, pretty much, like, just, like, a death nail. It's, like, anyone in your, like, service is going to get.
We get her off. Wait over there across.
No.
I think we'll have you wait.
No.
Julia, I'm the manager of the hotel.
Tell me how the.
We get.
Yeah, yeah. Let's go across the street. Across the street.
Across the street.
Okay, well then push
across
me.
the street.
Push me. No. Push me across the street.
That is a classic intoxicated person move when they don't want to be touched. They just drop to the ground. Now, since the owner said he finally wants her off the property, it sounds like the boyfriend's taking too long. Now she must get off the property.
You can listen. You can get off. You can go to jail for trespassing. Is that what you want to do?
Jesus.
Across the street.
Jesus.
Go. Excuse me. Go across the street. Ow! Stand up.
Stand up then.
Get out of here.
Okay, it looks like she did not want to cooperate and get off the property, so now she's being placed under arrest for a trespass after warning. Looks like the video is redacted here. I believe her bottom half of her skirt or something fell off, so that's why the video has to be redacted.
Sit. Sit.
Pull it. Get that. You mother.
So she does have a mental health
722 to 702. Can you start to the bank, please?
Actually, I kind of want to rewind that. It sounds like the boyfriend just said that she does have a mental health issue. That would be good to know more information on that as far as an investigative standpoint as one of the officers. Let's try to find that there again.
So she does have a mental health
722 to 702. Can you start?
That's what it sounded like. The officer should ask more about that.
To the bank, please. Yeah. Yeah, when the window is now.
Why am I getting out?
Watch yourself, sir.
Okay, you realize everyone's filming right now? Just stop. Just stop. Just stop.
Flip their cups.
There's no upstairs.
I need a hop on.
How about you?
Yeah, just gotta get my window out.
Julia, listen to me. You hit the girl. You did. You elbowed her and then started swinging, but you're on the ground.
So the one officer asked for a hobble because she's going to kick the window out. When we saw the officers placing her in the back of the vehicle, it took two of them, which seems like she was probably kind of resisting and kicking a little. And for the other officer asking for the hobble, probably means she is kicking. So I'm assuming they're going to put her in a hobble, which is a restraint that wraps around the legs, kind of near the ankle area, to kind of prevent people from being able to kick.
We will request the
How
video.
did you see that? Did someone show you that?
Multiple people said that.
Exactly, you mother.
Yeah. Hit another girl. That's it. I wasn't taking her around.
So
that
Julia,
pillar blocks everything.
you're going to jail today.
No, no.
And I'm not.
Still have disorderly. She's gonna break that. We still have disorderly. We still have all that. Stop! Stop! You're gonna get hobbled. I'm telling you, I'm a hobbler.
Yeah, probably.
Hey, Hector, here.
Stop!
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 Get
Stop!
I was not!
Stop resisting!
I was not trying!
Stop resisting!
I was not trying to until you made it your
Okay.
mission!
Right.
Yes! Go back through your tape! I was not doing
Give her
anything!
your wrist. Give her your wrist.
Watch your legs. Watch your legs. Can you sit up, please?
She can't slip her cuffs. She can't slip her cuffs.
Get me the
Give her.
Get this off
Listen.
my
Julia, listen. Give
It
her.
hurts!
Give
Get
me-
this
Well, then,
Give
let
her
me
your
put
wrist.
these on. Let me put these on and those will come off.
No! Get this off my
And let me put these on.
will not
Here, take these cuffs off.
get it. My arm, it hurts so.
Relax. You're doing it to yourself.
I've done nothing to my.
So the reason why this footage here is probably redacted, if I had to guess, it's because of, as you saw earlier, when they had to redact the lower half of her body because it sounded like her clothing fell off, which is probably why this is redacted because they're trying to put her, I'm assuming, in the hobble because that's what they were talking about prior to it being redacted here. So if that's the case, then she's probably kind of nude from the waist down, so they can't show that part of the video.
You guys are such pieces. I literally think that you guys are
Might be stuck on that. Yeah,
like
stuck
the
on that.
worst things that ever. Get this shit with me. I don't want. No, get the. Stop fighting!
So as we can see, she is kicking and resisting a little, so which is why they needed the hobble in the first place, and that's what they're applying right now as we watch.
No, you missed it.
Listen.
Stop resisting and get in the car.
Stop!
Pick her up. Close the door, close the door.
Again, why the video is redacted, probably just because she's nude from the waist down.
Just bend her legs. Here. Yeah. Fucking down, bro.
All the way, all the way, all the way.
We need a transporter. We gotta get her ourselves.
Take it to county. Or take it to...
By myself?
That's the end of the video, and that is why you don't want to be too drunk in public, because then you could end up having an even worse night and end up in jail.